Welcome to MacGyvers Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something.
Hi there. I thought I'd go ahead and give everybody kind of a update on the projects and goings on that we have here at MacGyvers Workshop. Looks like we're going to put old Blue here on hold for a while. I've been trying to get a hold of the owner, and about going on almost 2 months now, and not gotten a call back. So I just kind of ain't got time for that. So what we're going to do, set the cab back on the frame, and took it off the rotisserie, and I'm going to take all the parts and I'm going to take and roll it outside, and whenever I get some feedback on where we're going with this, then we'll maybe get back into it. But right now I've got about 3 projects backed up waiting. I don't mind it's sitting here. It's a pet project really, this truck was, but at the same token, it requires input from all sides. So I'm not going to get a call back or anything like that, then they're that busy, well, okay. But I'm going to have to move on and get some, some of this other stuff knocked out that's been backing up. So that's what we're going to do. And stay tuned for, we're going to put some new ramps on our big gooseneck trailer. They came with some pathetic little ramps that are all bowed up and everything. So we're going to put some decent new ones, longer ones on there. And then we can start to work on the big tractor project we've got out here. And let's see, you can probably see a picture of it here, posted on my Facebook where I picked it up. And it's got a real nice side mount boom mower on it, and which is just what we need here on the farm, because we've got a lot of ditches that we can't mow otherwise. So that'll be good, and we're just pretty much going to have to do a restoration on this tractor as well, and overhaul the engine and that sort of thing. So but that's a project worth spending a little money on, because it's about $100,000 rig if you were to go try and buy one new. So even used, what, 50,000-60,000 probably for a big old tractor like that, and the boom mower. So we're going to move on that, and then I've got some car projects in here and other stuff that needs to get done. Folks have been nice and patient waiting for me to get to it. So that's where we're at. So thanks for watching, and do stay tuned, as I'm sure we'll eventually get back to this. Hope so anyway, as I've had a lot of fun working on it, and I know a lot of y'all have been real interested keeping up with it and its progress. But right now, I just don't really have any choice in the matter. I've just kind of got to roll it out here, and we'll throw a tarp over it or something, try and keep it out of the elements. But that's the best I can do. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.